Welcome to CMP, where we are located in the heart of Ventura County. Our centrally located facility allows daily service to Los Angeles County, Ventura County, Santa Barbara, and the entire Central Coast. We are proud to take you for a quick tour of our state-of-the-art precision sheet metal fabrication facility. Our friendly sales staff is standing by to quote your next project. At CMP, we have partnered with Global Shop Solutions ERP system to provide you with efficient and, more importantly, accurate estimates the first time. Our entire plant is run on the Global Shop platform, allowing very accurate pass-through of information with real-time job tracking, scheduling, quality control, and automated purchasing. Global Shop allows us to maintain very accurate records at the push of a button, while also ensuring that every process has been completed and inspected before allowing shipment to our customers. At CMP, we utilize the latest version of SolidWorks and Amada's AP100 software for accurate and efficient programming. Our inspection team has many tools at their disposal to ensure we are meeting all of our customers' requirements, and we are providing the highest level of quality precision sheet metal components that are possible. You can rest assured that the accuracy of your parts is our highest concern, and knowing that from one run to the next, you can count on the fact that your parts will be consistently accurate. CMP utilizes the latest in fiber laser cutting with Amada's ENSYS technology. We can achieve cut speeds over 2,000 inches per minute. The ENSYS can cut mild steel, stainless, titanium, brass, or copper. Our talented engineering team will determine the best method of cutting your parts, whether with one of our lasers or our 5 CNC turret punch presses. Our vast array of turrets and library of tooling ensures that your project will run through the cutting process without a hitch. Our tooling library stands at over 7,000 sets of standard and custom tooling, consisting of a large variety of form tools such as louvers, card guides, hinge tools, and even 3DK turret tapping tools. All parts are completely deburred after laser cutting or punching either by hand or vibro deburr to ensure a burr-free part to our customers. We even offer grain finishing with our time saver machines for those that prefer a cosmetically grained part. CMP employs the latest in bending technology with Amada's Dr. Abe bending software to their HG line of brakes and genuine hardened and ground Amada brake tooling, providing the ultimate in bending control and accuracy. CMP also has an extensive supply of non-hardened precision brake tooling, allowing customization for quick and cost-effective custom tooling for unique bending criteria. With 12 press brakes ranging from 6 foot 60 ton to 12 foot 175 tons, CMP is sure to have the capability to build your parts. With a full weld shop consisting of 5 MIGs and 5 TIGs, CMP has the capability to weld mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum on the most complex of requirements. If your job requires very high volume and repeatability, we also have a 2-station Lincoln robotic welder capable of churning out very high production with unmatched repeatability, allowing for very cost-effective weld pricing. CMP has the capability to be your one-stop shop for precision sheet metal fabrication, offering all industry-standard finishes such as powder coating, wet paint, and plating. We aim to add value to every part of your production process, offering silkscreen, mechanical assembly, and packing of your parts so they are ready to ship to your customer. For nearly 4 decades, CMP has focused on being the best precision sheet metal fabrication manufacturer in Southern California. It is because of this dedication to quality and customer service that we have been able to achieve this status where the word no is not in our vocabulary. For a competitive bid or a tour of our facility, please contact our friendly sales staff today. We look forward to working with you soon.